Hello viewers, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, we will write 10 lines on our Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. First line is Nirmala Sitharaman is a prominent figure in the world of finance and governance. Second line is she is an Indian economist and politician. Third line is she was born on 18 August 1959. She became the first woman to hold the finance minister's position. Fifth line is through her tenure, she has focused on steering the nation's economy. Sixth line is she has extended support to small businesses and entrepreneurs. Seventh line is she strongly promotes digital initiatives. Eighth line is she aims to create more opportunities for all. Next line is her role underscores her dedication to shaping a stronger economy. Last line, that is line number 10, is she is a key figure in India's financial governance.